On this episode of What It Looks Like, I thought I'd try something different today. Now, many of us may have been to a county fair. I know when I go to a county fair or an amusement park, the thing I like to get every single time I go is funnel cakes. We can make funnel cakes. It seems to be pretty simple and easy. I'm looking forward to it. We're gonna have apple cinnamon funnel cakes today. So that's what we're gonna do today and what it looks like. I'm gonna show you what it smells like, what it tastes like, and of course, what it looks like. If you have something that you want me to try, please leave a comment down below. I will do my best to find it for you. But let's get started today with this apple cinnamon funnel cake.
Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. The food on the box look good, don't it? Should you buy it, should you wait, should you jump on it? You wanna know if it good, does it taste right? Wanna try before you buy it, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Hey, what it looks like. Wanna go to the store, wanna get some. Wanna go to the store, wanna eat some. What it looks like. Hey, what it looks like.
Alright, we need to pour the entire quart of vegetable oil into our pot so that we can get it hot. It needs to heat to 375 degrees. This is a big pot too, so may not look like a lot, but it's a whole quart of oil. Okay, while the oil is getting hot, we're gonna pour 1.5 cups of milk. Then we're gonna add 2 whole large eggs. Go. Now we're gonna mix this up. Get it well blended here. All right, this is mixing up good. Okay, we can set aside the milk and eggs, and then we're gonna put 2 cups of flour into a bowl, the 2nd cup of flour. Next, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna mix all that up together so that it blends nicely. I feel like I might need a bigger bowl for the next step. You'll see. Right, that's all blended. Right now we're gonna pour the flour mixture into the milk and egg. And then we're gonna blend it all together until it's nice and smooth. One thing that I found that was interesting is that we didn't add any sugar into this mixture. It was just the flour, a little bit of ground cinnamon, but that's it. Not a whole lot of sweetness to this as you would picture it to be. It actually doesn't take too long for it to start to blend and to turn into a mixture here. I'm actually really excited to make this dish. This is one of my favorite things to get whenever we go to an amusement park. It's funnel cakes. Like become like a little kid, just so excited. It's like, oh, they have funnel cakes. So while we've been doing this part, the oil should be nice and hot, which is what you want. All right, I think that's about ready to go. It's about ready to go. Now when you're preparing the batter, you want to put your finger right underneath here so that as you pour the mixture into the funnel, it won't come out. So we're going to pour maybe about a whole cup of mixture in here. that should be good. Okay, here we go. All right, so you want to pour it right into the center, and then go from the center to the outside of it. And then you may want to raise this thing up high because it's getting hot. This thing is really hot, so you have to raise the funnel up a little bit higher, and then just keep going. Get it all out, and then this thing is really hot. All right, and then it's cooking up pretty quickly already. Time to flip it already. All right, let's flip it over. Oh, that took no time. Oh, look at that golden brown. I think this is about done. Yep, look at that, nice and golden brown and everything. Oh, that looks so good. At this point, you want to get ready to start heating up your apples so that they can be warm when it's time to go on top of the funnel cake. So when we get this out of here, it's a little bit stuck in here. Okay, there we go. All right, let that heat up for just a few minutes. You don't want it to get too hot. All right, let's stir it up. It's already starting to get hot here. So we're going to take this off here in just a second. And that's looking good, looking good. All right, let's sprinkle on some powdered sugar just like they do at the amusement park. Oh boy, that looks so good. See, maybe I'll put a little bit more on here. I think that's enough. There we go. Oh yeah. Let's add some pie filling to this. Oh boy, those apple and cinnamon look really good. Some more on here. I think that should be good. But before we see what it looks like, wait a minute, it's funnel cake. There are no nutritional facts. And now let's see what it looks like. What it looks like is a childhood dream. I mean, this definitely takes me back to the local fair or even Six Flags. You know, I don't know what it is about funnel cakes, but I just love them. And this homemade funnel cake looks fantastic. It looks crispy on the outside and soft on the inside at the same time, which is what you want in a funnel cake. The apple pie filling looks great, and it doesn't get any easier than just opening up a can, heating it up, and spreading it on top. The funny thing about funnel cakes is that I never associated an actual funnel to the making of funnel cakes. Now, I just considered funnel cake to be what it's called and never really gave it a second thought. I don't know why. I think this turned out amazing, and I can't wait to get to the tasting part of what it looks like. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, those apples, boy, they smell delicious. Now, when this was cooking, you can smell the funnel cakes and they smell really good, but you also smell the grease. So it's hard to sometimes kind of distinguish between smelling fried grease and the funnel cake. Oh man, it smells really good. Yeah, this reminds me of being at the county fair. I can't wait to try it. I love the way it smells. Oh boy. All right, what it tastes like. Oh my God. This is so good. The funnel cake is crispy on the edges. The apples, oh my God, it blends so good. I almost think this is better than the amusement park. If I'm being honest, I mean, let me pat myself on the back there. I think I did a really good job on this because this is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I cannot wait for someone to try this. Leave us some comments down below because you are going to love it. You know, I need to eat something else, but I think this may just be my whole meal. This is so good. I gotta take another bite of this, but man, it is absolutely delicious. What other word can I use besides delicious? Fantastic, amazing, wonderful, delectable. There's gotta be even a few more adjectives I can use to describe this, but boy, that first bite was off the rails. This is absolutely delicious. I got my new favorite meal I'm gonna make whenever there's something that's special. If I have some friends come over, I'm gonna surprise them with some funnel cakes. Oh my God. You know what? Next time we'll try some peaches, or I may try some cherries. I mean, I think the possibilities of whatever you put on here is limitless, right? Because you can do whatever type of topping that suits your fancy. But boy, it is really good. It is really good.
Welcome to the W.I.L.L Awards, where the contestants will be judged on smell, taste, and of course, what it looks like. Each contestant must score at least 20 points.
And let's go to the judges on the first category of smell. 8! Next up is taste. So 10. And now for that all-important category, what it looks like. So 9. Welcome back to our channel, man. We thank you for watching our video. We have another one coming for you soon. Please like and subscribe to our channel. That way you don't miss a thing, man. Okay? You don't miss a thing. Okay? And that way also, if you see something at the store that you like for us to try for you, please leave a comment below. And if we can find it, we will show you what it looks like, man.
No animals were harmed in the making of this video. However, they may or may not have been harmed in the making of the contestant. But we had nothing to do with that. We promise, honestly, you can trust us.